So I'm at Lake Tinaroo. It is so beautiful here. I love it. I could literally stay here for ages. I was meant to come for a few nights and I ended up staying for, it's nearly been a week. Probably going to leave tomorrow though, so I can go explore a little bit more. Go check out Cairns, meet up with a friend, look around there, and then I'm heading down to Brisbane next week because I got some friends down there too. So I'm going to do that. But yeah, it's been a really good time here. I've done sailing, kayaking. It's been so beautiful. I've learned a little bit about sailing, but also just chilling, hanging out with the kids and the lady. She's very nice. And yeah, it's been really fun. There's so many mart flies though, which is gross, but Effie's catching a few. She's sleeping now. And then I've been killing a few too, but they bite. And the spiders, man, there is so many different types of spiders here. Every day I have like 5 different more types of spiders on me. The ones like different to what I've seen the day before. Like it's hectic. But anyways, haven't been bitten. I won't get bitten. I'm not planning on it. And yeah, it's been very nice here. Very time like to chill because I did drive for 2 weeks pretty much non-stop. Like I had 2 days where I didn't drive in that time, and every other day has been exploring and driving around and everything. So this week of chilling and sitting back, enjoying my time here, enjoying being on a boat, being on a kayak, looking around, like it has been so peaceful and so beautiful. So definitely needed, definitely enjoying it. And I'll go off and explore again tomorrow and yeah, see what else there is. But it's been great. Effie's been great. I then took Carolina and the kids out to see this crater that I'd been to before with the baby birds there, as they haven't seen it yet. And I also didn't take Effie, so I left her back at the house with the people there. So I got to go down to the waterfalls as well, and we got to spend a bit more time there. So it was very beautiful. I had a quick little walk along the water, and then we also went to Malanda Falls, which will be coming up as well. Check, this guy wants to come for a ride. I don't know why I waited this long to tell you the story, but Effie, how big's your tummy? Huh? Are you full? Yeah, I bet. So I left her so I could go see some waterfalls today at the house I'm staying at. And she was a naughty girl and got into the bin. Hop up. Come here. She can't even get up. She got into the bin, ate all the scraps, stole their dinner, which was a whole lamb leg or lamb roast. You're fatty. And I didn't tell the story earlier because I was too busy sailing and on the boat, but she has definitely been feeling sorry for herself and definitely acting like a big fatty right now. So we're running around earlier and she literally fell over because she's not used to being so fat with her little legs. Anyway, Effie will not be eating probably at all tomorrow because she is going to be still feeling sorry for herself. Look, she's rolling over like a big dog right now. Yeah. Yo, guts. Anyway, See how she feels in the morning, huh? Oh, you're about to get kicked out. Your farts stank. Big fatty dog. Hmm? Is that funny for you? That stinks, boy. Sometimes we have cuddles in bed. Not tonight. You stinkhole. And she definitely knows she's done something wrong, because when I got home she was excited, as she always is, but then she ran off and started continuing to eat this big hunk of meat. And then when I realised that she wasn't given it, she stole it, I growled and she sad face straight away and has given me space for the rest of the day. So part scared of me maybe, and part feeling sorry for herself. But she's a naughty girl. Anyway, she's a good girl when I'm around. As soon as I leave her, acts up. Naughty. The morning view ain't bad. Of course we can kayak together. Even if she doesn't do anything. Hey. Let's go. If you're gonna get smacked. So much room back there. Stay. So pretty. Hit. Stay there. So nice. You like it? Too interested in all the ducks. Hopefully we can go find some turtles or something. 'Ate so much rubbish last night. Just finally spewing it up. Making a huge deal though, and it's only a tiny bit coming up, but she might be a little bit sick on this thing too. But, yuck. Anyways, that was the rougher bit. You alright? She's okay. So, more. Yuck. I'll have to kick her off. It's honestly probably just all the rubbish she freaking ate from that bin yesterday. Anyways, I'm against the, I just went about 1 kilometre against the current, so now I am just chilling because sometimes there's like lots of turtles around here, so I'm just going to let my boat drift, and I'm going to stop talking in a minute and hopefully I see a few and just have a relaxing trip back. Hopefully that's good for Effie too. She keeps throwing up in the back there, but we've stopped now, so she'll be okay. And she was annoying me, so I kind of rocked the boat, so I'll probably encourage that. Sorry, Effie. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna chill, hopefully see something and have a relaxing trip back. I just saw a turtle in these reeds. They just stick a tiny bit of their head up, and then I made eye contact with it and it went straight back under. But we'll see. Find some more. Effie's trying to look. Over there you can't see it, but heaps of turtles apparently hang around that, and I've already seen about 3. But they keep ducking when they see me. Oh, hit something. Log. Too invested in looking at this. Hey Effie. Oh. That's the log. Anyways, I'm about to end up in there, so let's go over here. This is the most west end of where I'm staying. I don't know if you can really see it, but in there's a few chairs, tables, some tripods and some wood. And they've set it up for a sunset point, they call it, so it's pretty cute. All ready to go. It does look quite nice. I've set the drone up a few times, it's really beautiful. This dog wants to get off. And we're staying on the more south from here, so I'm gonna continue my kayak. I'm getting pushed back now because I'm against the wind still until I get around the point, and then I will be with the wind and I will be belaying. Poor Effie's a bit tired from all the paddling. No, needs to have a little rest. Don't worry, I'll help you out. Alrighty, I've decided to leave this beautiful place. No doubt I'll be back because it is so nice here, but I'm heading off to Cairns and gonna go check it out there and see what else I can get up to. Place is ridiculous. Hills, look out. So I've just pulled into Cairns, and yes, of course the first thing you need to do is see the place from above. So that's what I've done, but unfortunately I didn't fly the drone here, but this is a pretty damn good view. I then went and caught up with an old mate, and we got up early the next morning to go exploring. Unfortunately, Effie wasn't allowed at this place, so I left her with these other puppies. Told her she got to stay here. Bye, Effie. Bye. Our first stop was about half an hour out of Cairns, called the Corinda Waterfalls. It was absolutely beautiful and the walk through was amazing. very foresty and tropical. My mate then told me we were going to be going swimming at the top of this waterfall. At the top left corner here, we had to use the local sneaky path to find it. Go on then. Straight in.
I really wish it was clean. Don't go up yet.
Stop. This rock is bloody sharp. But it's worth it. Watch me go down the big waterfall. Very pretty. If you slip, you die. I'm gonna die. No, I'm not. Don't say that. I'm gonna don't slip down. Are you sure? It's deep, I think. I can't see. I made it to the bottom. Where's Effie?
Hopefully at home.
Cool. We then went to the Corinda Markets and did one of my favourite things, mini golf, and of course we'll say I won. The weather then did what tropical North Queensland always does, goes from sunny to rain super quick, but we enjoyed looking at Lake Placid and then went on to have a quick walk through Stony Creek. Each of these are like different. Focus. I've seen a few before. Ew. What the hell? I loved the colour of these vibrant leaves. We then got a nice sunny gap in the weather, so we headed north of Corinda, checked out this four-wheel drive track and river before the rain came and smashed us again. So from being super sunny and really hot to maybe within an hour turning to a storm again, we headed home, met up with some friends and had some drinks. I then spent the next few days exploring with Effie and hanging out with my friends. So I went to a dog park just outside of Cairns and somebody suggested Goombora Park to take your dog and stuff if they like swimming or whatever. And it's a pretty nice creek. It's a long, nice creek, nice park, heaps of dogs, like. But I don't know what time it is. I think it's like 9 o'clock, if not earlier, maybe 8:30. And I am already sweating, so I'm gonna have a little dip. It's a bit of a shallow spot, but who cares? That's what you want. Oh, that initial cold. Oh, that's good. So nice. So nice. Yeah, I'll ask for that. Oh, Effie. Oh, what? Effie, man. See the fish? Effie? So I tried to get to the Crystal Cascades, but unfortunately Effie wasn't allowed and it was a very busy place. So on the drive in, there was like a little pullover to the side with this watering spot here, and quite a few people come here to take their dogs. So it was nice, sat there and chilled, had a little swim there, away from heaps of people and dogs for Effie. She keeps falling down. It's a steep rock. Poor thing. Thank you for watching, and next we head up further north to check out the Daintree.